My dear brothers and sisters in Christ, today we give honor to the apostle of the apostles. And she plays a significant role in our Catholic Christian faith. When we mention Saint Mary Magdalene, we cannot but associate her with the resurrection event. And the resurrection is a very important part of our salvation history. The resurrection is an important and very significant in our salvation history. And my first point for this sharing, brothers and sisters, having Mary Magdalene in that particular part of our history of salvation, which is the resurrection, I can somehow say that a woman plays an important role in one's life. Pagkangan ba nga si Mary Magdalene na-locate, makita diha sa nindot ug mahinungdanon nga hitabo sa atong kaluwasan, ang usa ka babae dunagyoy importante nga papel sa atong kinabuhi. Musugot tag sa di gyud nato ikalimod. There is a woman behind every man's success poong panila. Brothers and sisters, I hope and pray that we acknowledge the value of a woman in our life. She is not there for us as an object, but we value this person, a woman, so significant in our life. Kamo nga nagsunod sa ato live streaming, di tayo mo kakita, pero kung akong ipon ang present ani nga chapel, lupig ang number sa males, naglabi ang females. Brothers and sisters, for my first point, I want to emphasize here that it is good to revisit how significant a woman is in our life, and I hope we value them. Ango-angohon na sila, malimtanon sila, maldita sila, sagdi lang, no? They deserve our respect. They are also dignified persons. Di na tingay kayo issue sa atong panahon, pero sa panahon sa atong Ginoong Hesukristo, dako kayong issue. But nevertheless, we ought to respect one another. This time, starring lang ang babae. Second point, brothers and sisters, in this significant event of the resurrection, it is also an invitation. As we look at the history of Saint Mary Magdalene, she has a past. She is easily associated with a woman with a not so good past. Bati nga kagahapon. And she might have committed a lot of mistakes in life. But lo and behold, she was being given the privilege to witness the resurrection, the message of the resurrection. Here, my final point for this reflection, kay murag taas na. Brothers and sisters, our past mistakes, our past hurts should not hinder us to embrace the resurrection, the message of resurrection. Dili ta pahigot sa atong bati nga kagahapon, kay dunay gitagana ang Dios alang kanato nga mas nindot nga ugma. I hope and pray that we ask Saint Mary Magdalene's intercession for that particular grace. That we might have embraced our past life. We have so many regrets in the past. But hope and pray, we should not also, di sa nato, pugngan atong kaugalingon, nga mugakos, ug mudawat sa maanindot nga pagkabanhaw. That you and I can renew. You and I can become better. So help us, God.